Happy Monday, class, and welcome to Unit 4 of Term 4. And I am super excited about our unit content for this week because I think it comes in perfect timing for our midterm exam that we're going to be taking on Sunday. So this week we're going to be learning about our learning style and some different study strategies so that we can be successful. I'm not sure how many of you have learned what your learning style is or have ever taken a quiz or a test to help you understand how you learn best, but you will learn a little bit more about that this week, as well as some different study strategies and different ways of taking notes that might help you as you prepare for your midterm exam. I encourage you to start on Monday by beginning on your reading and your interactive exercises, because this is going to be how you get the background knowledge that you need in order to take the exam on Sunday. I encourage you to start early because I know that many of you get stressed out about the concept of a midterm exam, and so I want you to allow yourself plenty of time so that you can be ready for that. I would also encourage you not to take your midterm exam early in the week. Sometimes students do that just to see how they will do, but please remember that you only get 2 chances at your midterm exam and your highest grade stand. So it might be a good idea to wait till a little bit later in the week until you've reviewed more of the content before you take it. I also wanted to give you a little pep talk this week as we are almost halfway through our course. This is the time each term that students can kind of flounder a little bit. They lose their motivation, and that's normal, but we're halfway through. You've made it this far, and you only have a few more weeks to go. So dig deep and remember all the things that we've talked about. This week, we're also going to be discussing the Covey habit, begin with the end in mind. And there's an excellent video under readings and resources that you can watch about this. But basically, this habit is all about having a vision or a goal, an intent in everything that you do. So as you think about this goal this week, think about your intent for this course, what you hope to learn and what you hope to gain at the end. I know many of you set SMART goals that you wanted to pass the course with a certain grade. So think about that outcome as you go throughout your weekly activities and think about how everything that you do leads to that final goal and vision. I know that each of you can do it, and I'm here to support you. If you have questions or comments, please reach out to me. I also wanted to give a quick reminder to you about the importance of academic integrity. I know that when we're stressed and that when we procrastinate, it's very tempting to search online for help. Please remember, if you are using another source in any of your discussion board posts or journals, you need to cite your source. If you're quoting, you need to use quotation marks. If you don't, that's considered plagiarism and can end up with you receiving an academic integrity violation. So please be careful of this and mindful of the sources that you use. If you need help understanding how to cite a source or how to do an in-text citation, please message me and I can give you some links to that. Miss, make it a wonderful week.